Hello guys, how are you? I am Indira from iCreative School. Hope you all are doing well and are doing some creative works. And today, early morning, I am recording. So I am going to tell you what's the caricature type of images we are doing. So caricature means we are converting image to comic style. Now it is like trend going on. I think you know. So let's get started. I'm sharing my screen here. So I'm going to Photoshop software. See here I have taken already one image. Okay, so this one I'll convert into caricature type. So first what we should do, we should click on this object selection tool by pressing W, and you just drag it. Then you can press Ctrl C, Ctrl V, like copy paste in another layer. So it is not perfect, but for this type of caricature type, I want this is enough. Then what I will do now, this face portion, I will again select. So again I will click on this face and then again Ctrl C, Ctrl V. So why I am doing this? See, I am just scaling it a little bit so that it will look like cartoon, right? So okay, this is enough. Then I will merge these two layers. See, I have done this. This is the like result I want. So okay, now I will go to this filter. Then before going to that option, first we should do sharpen little bit. You can click on smart sharpen, see here, and click on OK. See what is the difference. You can use this preview option. So little bit it will sharp the image. So click on OK. Then again filter this liquify option. So here I am using Adobe Photoshop 2021. So here you can see this face ever liquify option is there. So this is easy to draw like cartoon type. So see this, so many left side, so many tools are there. So if you click on W, forward wrap tool, so I'm clicking that, and again I'm doing it. So why it is not working? Wait. Okay, sorry, I have taken wrong tool. This blot tool, I should click on that and see how it is working. And this using forward wrap tool, you can decrease or increase the brush size by using square bracket, and little bit do like this. So not much more. So again blot tool, again place it on nose, little bit on lips, and this hair portion also. Okay, so do like this, little bit eyes also. So So here see, so many options are there, like eye size you can increase here also, and eye height, width, eye tilt also little bit I am increasing. This nose height I am completely increasing. So unless you get satisfaction, you can use this. I think this older versions of Photoshop you cannot find this type of so many like they given. So click on OK. See, now I will convert into little bit oil paint so that it will look a little bit realistic caricature type. So here I will go to filter and I will go to stylize, then oil paint. See here you can see preview, but see if you click on lighting, you can see this type of conversion you can see. So always you can unclick this lighting to get this effect, and little bit adjust this cleanliness, stylization, scale, and click on OK. So I got this, I think it's fine. So you can see our result. So little bit here some mistake is there, so it's okay. While you guys are doing, remember that this type of should not happen, but you can find better result. Okay, so thank you guys, see you on next like something new. So till then, bye, take care of your family and belongings. Thank you.